Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create manual test cases quickly and efficiently using ChatGPT. Instead of spending hours writing them from scratch, we will use AI to generate clear, structured test cases that you can immediately use in your projects. Whether you are testing a website, a mobile app, or an API, this method will save you a lot of time and effort. So let's begin. This is login page Orange HRM. User can enter username, password, and then click on login button. This is valid credentials, username admin, password admin123, and user can forget password. After clicking on this forget password, user need to enter username and then click on reset password. I will explain in a detail how you can generate test cases by using ChatGPT. So open ChatGPT. You need to search chatgpt.com, and here option available. You can close sidebar and you can open sidebar. This is new chat option, control shift plus O. This is short key for opening a new chat. You can search chat by using control plus K. This is library projects. Now in this search bar you can search any text, and here option available, dictate and use voice mode. You can also here use voice mode. After clicking on this plus button, you can add photos and files. Control plus you can create image, thinking, and deep research. These all the options available here in this screen. After open this chatgpt.com, you need to log in into account. Now, I will show you how you can generate manual test cases for Orange HRM login page. This is Orange HRM login page. Open ChatGPT, enter text here, generate manual test cases for the Orange HRM login page, and URL is, we will enter URL here, enter URL here, and then click on send. First, we will explain about include test cases in this format: test case ID, test case title, test case title, and then preconditions, test steps. Test step is user open this URL, enter username, password, and then click on login. This is the steps. Test steps, and then test data, expected result. You can add further options here. So here test areas, valid login, second is invalid login, empty fields if the user does not enter username and password, and then click on login button. So we will write test cases for empty fields, and then write the test cases for forget password link. Also check UI checks. Now just click on enter, and it will write the test cases. As you can view here, below are detailed manual test cases for the Orange HRM. Test case 1, valid login with correct credentials. This is test data, expected results. User should be successfully logged in and redirect to the dashboard. After enter the username, password and click on login button, user should be redirected into dashboard. Invalid login, invalid password, both username and password invalid. This is the negative test case. Empty failed test cases, forget password link, verify reset with valid username. As you can view here, it generated test cases. Now, it asks if you like, I can convert this to Excel, PDF, or formatted table for documentation. Convert the test cases into a clean table format and then click on enter. Here is a clean well structured, and here you can view in a tabular form. This is easy to readable, as you can view here test case ID, test case title, and precondition is user is on login page. Test case steps, user will open login page, enter valid username, enter valid password, and then click on login button. This is the steps and test data. For test this login page, user need to enter username, password. This is the test data, and user is redirected to the dashboard. After successfully login, user should be redirected into the dashboard page, and this all the expected result. Next thing we can do here, we can here write export test cases into Excel. If you want to generate these test cases into PDF, if you want this test cases exports into PDF, so you can write here format. For now, export test cases into Excel and then click on enter and analyzing, and it will generate the test cases and write all the test cases into Excel. As you can view here, your Excel file is ready and you can download. Just click on this link. Start it download and open this Excel file. Now, you can view test cases here in this Excel file. If you want to add these test cases into Jira, so you can also copy these test cases into Jira or Azure. Now you can view here test case steps, test data, expected result, all the information you can view here. And this is the data: username admin, username empty, password test 123. Benefit of creating test cases with ChatGPT: time saving. You can generate multiple test cases in minutes instead of hours. The test cases follow a structure format with test ID, steps, test data, and expected results. Better coverage. You can ask ChatGPT to generate both positive and negative scenarios. Also, you can easy to customize. You can quickly edit or refine test cases according to your project needs. This makes your testing process faster, more accurate, and professional. So that's how you can create manual test cases using ChatGPT in just a few minutes. That's our for today tutorial on generating our test cases using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKF World for more testing tutorials. See you in the next video.